Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by this look and by the title, I'm bringing you guys some new hair. I'm back to the blonde. I'm so excited. This hair is so nice. This hair is so nice, and I'm just so excited to bring it to you guys and let you guys know all about it, so you guys can be rocking that cute blonde hair for the winter and the fall too. This hair is from DSoar hair. The box looks like this. I will also show you guys another clip. And on the back of the box, I really like that they included some hair care tips, how to wash the hair and how to care for it. The hair all came individually packaged in separate little plastic bags. And they also, which I'm really like, had labels on them telling you the length of the hair. So as you guys can see, I have a regular 4x4, I believe, or just regular closure, which is 18 inches. And then I have two bundles of 20-inch and two bundles of 22. And also I just wanted to show the wefts are really thick. Like there's a lot of it. Like the wefts are really long, but the hair itself on the wefts isn't extremely thick, but it is a good density, but you are getting a lot of wefts, if that makes sense. I don't know how to explain that better. Like the wefts themselves are long, so when you look at the bundle, they're really thick, but then when you actually separate them, they're not extremely thick. Like if you're someone who doubles your wefts, which I usually do, they would be thick, but just on their own, they're kind of average. But I will say that you do get a lot of hair in the bundles because this wig is extremely thick, guys. Like, extremely thick. Let me show you. I'm going to try to grab it all and show you guys. That is literally how thick. Like, if it were to be in a ponytail, that's how thick it would be. So, the hair itself is really thick. But again, I do have 4 bundles and a closure. So that is kind of to be expected, being that it's only 20 and 22 inches. Also, let me show you guys the length quickly. I'm gonna move the camera down a little bit. So my belly button is right here, and the 22, like all the way at the bottom, comes to about my belly button, but most of the fullness honestly stops around here. I might actually even trim it, but I'll probably leave it. Which is a little bit under like the breast area, so just to show you. And also I'll show you guys what it looks like in the back. This hair is so soft and just so thick, and I can't get over it. So I do want to say that I was rushing to make this video and to make this wig. So I did use the hot glue gun method, which if you guys aren't familiar, it's literally just using hot glue to attach the tracks to the wig cap. And I will say that I'm probably going to take this wig apart and redo it with thread, like sewing it in. I didn't have any blonde thread, and I really didn't want to use black because I felt like you might be able to see it. So I was like, okay, I'll just do the hot glue gun method. But I found that because the hair is so thick that it's hard for it to kind of lay as flat as I would like it to. So yeah, I do think that I will go back in eventually and definitely sew this down and take the time to make it into a really nice wig, because this hair is so good, so good. Which also, like, I mean, I wasn't expecting the hair to be bad, but not all blonde hair is good, I'll just say that. And off the bat, it didn't look bad, but it also didn't look like amazing just looking at the bundles. I don't know, I just thought it looked like good hair, so I was like, okay, I'll just use the hot glue gun method. But once I made the wig and it all came together, I was like, wait, like, do you guys see? I can't stop running my fingers through it. The hair is literally just falling, like, just falls right back down, right into place. It has so much movement. Like, it's so soft, it's so nice. Like, I'm honestly, like, really in shock, to be honest. But I'm also excited to bring it to you guys. If you've been following me for a while, you guys know that I always go back and forth between blonde and black hair. So I have had my fair share of different blonde hair and blonde wigs, and I will say this is either tied with the best or one of the best that I've ever felt. And like, I've had. This hair quality is amazing. The only thing is, I think I'm gonna go back on their website and order a frontal, just because personally I find it really hard to make it look natural based on how I wear my hair with just a 4x4 closure, because obviously, guys, I use the hot glue gun method, so it's not flat and nicely laid, my tracks. But if you wanted to, you know, pull your hair back or put your hair behind your ear, it's kind of hard to do that with it looking natural with only this much of lace. So I would advise that to you guys. I think sometimes it's more affordable to just get a frontal. If you're someone who, you know, usually wears a very distinct part, like a middle part or a side part, and that's just how you wear your hair, then I feel like this would be 100% fine for you. But I'm usually someone who kind of just like flips my hair around and things like that, so I find that it would be a lot better for me to have a frontal. So again, I think I'm just going to reuse all of these bundles and order a frontal and make another wig out of it. And if I do that, let me know if you guys want to see a tutorial. Yeah, let me think of things to actually say. The hair is amazing, I love it, but let me get through the specs. So in terms of shedding, I experienced none to very little. I did cut a few wefts just when I was making the wig, just because, you know, I came to an end or like whatever. And obviously I got a tiny bit of shedding when doing that. But after brushing out the hair and everything, I'm not experiencing any shedding now. You guys see I've been running my fingers non-stop through this hair and I'm getting nothing on my hands. So that is amazing. I really don't like shedding. I mean, I don't think anyone likes shedding. Our natural hair sheds, but I really don't like shedding when I'm wearing like wigs and things because I don't want my hair left behind anywhere. And I don't want to like not be able to run my fingers through my hair without worrying about having hair on my hands. So yeah, I really like that there is no shedding with this hair. Like I said, the wefts were really good quality. You got a lot of hair in a bundle, but on the wefts themselves, I actually have a little bit of a weft, I believe, left. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So you see, on the wefts themselves, if you're holding it out, I feel like this isn't extremely thick. Like it almost looks thin. But if you're someone like me, who when I sew in my wigs, I double them, then that is completely fine. Also, I find that the wefts are nice and thin, that you could do this because, again, I did the hot glue gun method. You kind of have to do single wefted, but you do get a lot of hair in a bundle. So although it's like this, the bundles are really long, so you are getting a lot of hair in a bundle. And again, you guys can see the wig came out so thick and it's just so nice. Like, this is not thin at all. And you guys know, again, if you've been following me, I really prefer my hair to be thick. I don't really like to wear extensions and then it's thin. I don't know, personally I don't. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. I do definitely think though you could get away with 3 bundles. I don't think you need 4. Again, I have this much, this is it doubled. I have this much left of the last bundle and I definitely glued down the tracks really close together. So I do think, again, you definitely could get away with 3 bundles and a closure, but definitely if you are getting a frontal, I definitely think you'll be set with 3 bundles. So the hair is extremely soft, like extremely soft, and the quality of the hair is amazing. I find that you're always kind of afraid with blonde hair. I have gotten blonde hair before, a blonde wig, that almost looked damaged, like it just looked like it was dyed hair, and I feel like that isn't really what we're going for. We want it to be blonde, and obviously it was dyed, but we want it to look healthy and feel nice and be able to run your fingers through it. So yeah, I definitely think that the hair itself is really nice quality. I did go over the hair with a straightener, so it does perform well to heat. Oh, do you guys want to do a curl test? I'll take a piece of hair and we can see. I have a curling wand actually. So let's see. I'm gonna do a curl test for you guys. This isn't like a thick piece of hair, so I normally would curl a bigger piece, but we can see. I'm just gonna curl the end. My hair is gonna look so funny. I'm gonna have to straighten this out. But I just wanna see how it performs and if it can hold curl. Ooh! Guys, oh my gosh, can you guys see that? I feel like the lighting is washing this out. Whoa! Oh my gosh, I'm about to curl this hair. This looks really nice. It took to the curl really well. And again, I feel like when you put heat on the hair, it doesn't like look damaged. It almost looks nicer. Like putting heat on the hair and straightening it almost like helps it to look a lot nicer. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can straighten this back out though because I have a random curl. I'm just gonna pass through it one more time. But it is looking really nice. It performs really well with heat. I can't say how long the curls were gonna last, but I can say it took really well to the curl, as you guys saw. Yeah, this is basically the hair straight out the pack, so I can't give you like too in-depth of thoughts. Closure is really nice. I have a widow's peak, so I find that it's really hard for me to make frontals and closures that are blonde look natural, because you guys know even when I glue down my lace frontals, I always leave my widow's peak out because it just helps it to look like a little more like my hair, not so much like a wig. So I ended up cutting the frontal or the closure a little bit to kind of create a widow's peak. I do think I can definitely go in and do a lot more work with the frontal and the closure. I keep saying frontal with the closure, but I did want to just come on here and give you guys an initial review on it and kind of show you guys the hair off the bat. I do really love it, and I definitely recommend this hair. Like, if you were looking for hair and you're looking for blonde hair and you were a friend of mine or family member, I would tell you to get this hair. So just gonna put that out there. I always give you guys my opinion on that. Like I always say, even when companies send me hair, I was like 16 and 17 working and saving up my money to buy hair. So I am not gonna tell you guys to get some hair that's gonna waste your money and that's not gonna last, because I wouldn't want someone to do that to me and I wouldn't want to do that. So yeah, I really like this hair. It's so soft, guys. I can't get over this. I'm just like want to sit here and do this for like 5 minutes. I wish you guys could feel it. Here, feel it. Okay, I'm just kidding. Okay, I think I covered basically all of the initial specs and my overall initial review on the hair. I definitely want to make this into an actual wig. I wish I kind of wasn't being lazy, but I am happy that I did it so that I can just see how nice the hair is and the quality of the hair. So yeah, if you guys have any other questions or anything, leave them in the comments down below and I will be sure to answer them. I am going to be a lot more active, by the way, guys, on YouTube and on my social media. I've kind of been doing a lot and going through a lot and, you know, school and things like that. So I've been like posting, but I haven't been as active, if that makes sense. I've kind of just been like posting and then like doing other things and kind of getting off of YouTube. But I definitely am going to take the time again, because I have a little bit more time, to go through all of your comments and respond to all of you guys and post more and post things that you guys are interested in. So definitely leave comments down below. Let me know what you guys want to see in the future. Let me know if you have any questions, and let me know what you think of this hair and how you feel about me and blonde hair. Do you guys prefer me in blonde hair or black hair? I honestly don't know. I feel like it's two different people. One of my friends says that me in black hair is Ariana and me in blonde hair is Ava. That's like their thing. They always say that when I have blonde hair. But yeah, guys, I really love this hair. I hope you guys enjoy, and I don't even know what else to say. I'm just so excited. I love this hair. I made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye, guys.